Your home's doors are not just entry points. They play a vital role in the overall security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal of your property. As a homeowner in Meridian, Idaho, replacing your old or outdated doors is one of the best ways to enhance the functionality, aesthetics, and value of your home. Over time, doors can wear out, lose their insulating properties, and detract from your home's appearance. Door replacement provides a fresh start with numerous benefits. In this article, we'll explore the top reasons why door replacement in Meridian is a must for homeowners looking to make their homes more secure, energy efficient, and beautiful. Enhanced security. The primary function of any door is to provide entry and exit while keeping intruders out. Over time, old or damaged doors become vulnerable to break-ins, compromising your home's security. Whether it's a front door, patio door, or interior door, the security of your home can be easily improved by replacing worn-out doors with newer, more secure models. Modern doors come equipped with advanced locking systems, stronger materials, and improved construction that significantly enhance home security. For example, steel and fiberglass doors are highly durable and resistant to damage, making them much harder to break into compared to older wooden doors. In Meridian, where home security is a priority, replacing your exterior doors is a smart investment to keep your family safe. Improved energy efficiency. Meridian experiences a range of temperatures throughout the year, with cold winters and warm summers. As a result, energy efficiency becomes crucial to maintaining a comfortable indoor environment without breaking the bank. Old doors can be one of the biggest culprits in energy loss, allowing drafts to seep in and heated or cooled air to escape. Upgrading to energy-efficient doors can drastically improve your home's insulation. Modern doors are designed with advanced materials such as insulated cores, double or triple glazing, and weatherproof seals that prevent drafts and regulate temperature. By replacing your doors, you can significantly reduce your heating and cooling costs, especially during the extreme temperature months in Meridian. Energy-efficient doors help keep your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer, making your home more comfortable and your energy bills lower. Boost curb appeal and home value. First impressions are everything, especially when it comes to your home's exterior. A well-maintained, stylish door can enhance the curb appeal of your home, making it look more inviting and modern. Whether you're planning to sell your home soon or just want to enjoy a refreshed look, replacing your old door with a new, high-quality one can make a dramatic difference in your home's appearance. New doors are available in a wide variety of styles, materials, and finishes, from sleek, modern designs to more traditional and rustic looks. Replacing your door allows you to customize it to match your home's architectural style, adding a unique touch that reflects your personal taste. A visually appealing door is not only a functional element of your home but also a key feature that can boost its market value. If you're selling your Meridian home, a new front door is a cost-effective way to attract buyers and increase its resale value. Increased comfort and noise reduction. In addition to improving energy efficiency, new doors can enhance the comfort of your home by providing better insulation against noise. Older doors, especially those with single-pane glass or poor seals, can let in outside noise, making it difficult to relax or focus inside. If you live in a busy neighborhood or near a busy road in Meridian, noise pollution can be a real issue. Modern doors, especially those with insulated cores and double or triple pane glass, do an excellent job of blocking out external noise, creating a quieter and more peaceful living environment. Whether you're looking to enjoy a peaceful night's sleep or simply reduce distractions during the day, new doors can make a big difference in your home's comfort. Low maintenance and durability. Old doors often require more maintenance than newer models, which can be both time-consuming and expensive. Wooden doors, in particular, require regular sanding, painting, and sealing to keep them in good condition. Even with regular maintenance, wooden doors are prone to warping, cracking, and fading over time. In contrast, modern doors, especially those made from fiberglass or steel, are much more durable and low maintenance. These materials resist weathering, fading, and warping, and they only need occasional cleaning to maintain their appearance. By replacing your old doors, you're choosing a more durable, low-maintenance option that will continue to look great and perform well for years to come. Better functionality. If your doors are difficult to open or close, or if they have broken hardware, replacing them can restore the functionality of your home. Over time, door frames can warp, hinges can wear out, and locks can become unreliable. These issues can make it frustrating to use your doors, and in some cases, they can even pose a safety risk. New doors come with upgraded hardware and better construction, ensuring that they function smoothly and securely. Whether it's the ease of opening your front door or ensuring that your patio door closes tightly to prevent drafts, new doors improve the overall functionality of your home. Conclusion. Door replacement in Meridian is an essential home improvement that can provide significant benefits for homeowners. From enhanced security and energy efficiency to improved aesthetics and increased home value, replacing your old doors with new, modern models is an investment that will pay off in the long run. Whether you're upgrading your exterior doors to enhance curb appeal, reduce energy costs, or improve home security, a door replacement is a worthwhile decision for any homeowner in Meridian. By choosing high-quality, durable doors that suit your home's style and needs, you'll enjoy improved comfort, security, and peace of mind for years to come.